I just see the smoke. Gas tank, I just see the smoke. Sack, but it's filled with smoke. Ass fat, I can't see the smoke.
Now that you've seen the results, let's jump in and get hands-on. I'm gonna walk you through everything step by step so you can use motion control to create awesome scenes for free. You'll learn how to set up your videos, link reference images, and make your characters move smoothly and look real. No complicated stuff. I'll break it all down nice and easy, so let's dive right in. Before we'll learn how to create unlimited AI videos using motion control and Kling models for free, let me show you something that can save you months of trial and error. Right now, most people are wasting time jumping between random tutorials. But what if you had everything in one place? Put together a complete premium bundle that includes dropshipping, Facebook ads, crypto, SEO, affiliate marketing, YouTube growth, literally everything you need to start making money online. And the crazy part, instead of paying 20,000 rupees plus, you can get full lifetime access for just 199 rupees. Inside, you'll get video trainings, ready-to-use templates and scripts, lifetime updates, works on mobile, laptop, anywhere. If you're serious about building income online, this is a no-brainer investment. Click the link in the description and get instant access before the price increases. Now let's continue the video, and I'll show you exactly how to use this AI tool step by step. Today, I'm showing you a super powerful tool that combines all the latest AI features for both video and image creation all in one place. What makes this platform really cool is that it gives you access to the latest Kling models all in one place. You get Kling, motion control, element, and more. The best part? All the newest Kling models are available right here, and yeah, you can use them for free, and it doesn't stop there. You'll also find a bunch of other AI models on the same platform, whether you're working with images or videos. You can do lip sync, edit your content, and use a ton of powerful features all in one place. On top of that, the platform lets you boost your video quality, and it already includes modern Seedance models with an even newer version coming soon. With the free plan, you get credits every time you log in, and those credits refresh monthly on the same account. But if you want to use the platform for free, without limits, and without waiting every month for more credits, then pay close attention. Just follow the exact same steps and process I'm about to show you. To sign into the platform, you've got three options: Figma, Google, or Microsoft. Now, if your goal is to create unlimited accounts, using Google or Microsoft can be a bit of a hassle. The easiest and fastest way to do it is through Figma. With Figma, you can quickly create accounts and sign in right away with no headache, no extra steps. But there's one problem you'll run into as soon as you click on Figma, and I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. When you click on Figma, this screen pops up. You'll see two options: sign in with Google or enter your email and password if you already have an account. But what if you want to create multiple accounts with no limits? You'd expect to see a sign up or create account option, right? Yeah, it's not there. That's the main issue during the login process. If you're using a browser like me, the fix is super simple. Just right-click anywhere on the screen and click the last option, Inspect. Once the developer tools open, look for an icon that looks like a laptop and a phone. Click it to switch from desktop view to mobile view, then just refresh the page. After refreshing, you'll notice a brand new option shows up: Create Account. Click on it, and it'll ask for the email and password you want to use. Now here's the thing, Figma doesn't always accept completely random email addresses. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't, so keep that in mind. But what works almost every time is using Google-based email accounts. Now the big question is, how do you create multiple accounts easily? That's where the second trick comes in. And this is the part you really want to pay attention to if you're trying to create unlimited accounts. So go to this website. I'll add this website URL somewhere in the video and other website URL as well, so make sure not to skip any single second of this video. On this website, type your existing Google account email address and select how many email copies you want, and then click on the Generate button. It will generate a huge number of account variations from a single Gmail account. Any verification email sent to any of those generated addresses will still arrive in your original Gmail inbox. Now copy these emails and save them in a safe place. Now let's test it out together. Just grab any randomly generated email from the list and copy it. Then head back to Figma, paste the email, click Continue with Email, enter a password, and hit Create Account. You can also save the accounts you create, so every month you can come back and grab another credits again. Once you finish that step, you'll see the next screen. You can click Open Gmail to jump straight to your inbox, or just go back to the Gmail tab you already have open. There, you'll find the verification email, open it, and click Verify Email. A new page will pop up, and just like that, you're successfully logged in. As you can see, your email shows up at the top. The platform works like a workspace setup. You just drag blocks, drop them onto the canvas, and connect them together. Super simple, like building your project step by step. I'll show you exactly how it works, step by step. At the top, click Create New File. A new screen will open, just hit Skip for now. This area right here is your working canvas. To start adding blocks, click the search icon and type Kling. You'll see all the available Kling models pop up. Now, just pick what you want to use. For example, choose Kling, then drag it onto the workspace and drop it there. Once you do that, you'll see different options like prompt, first frame, last frame, and negative prompt. It also includes something called element. So what does element mean? It lets you create a consistent character and reuse that same character across multiple scenes, or even an entire video. All you have to do is drag the element block into the workspace, upload your images so the system can build your character, and then connect it to the main video generation block. After that, you're ready to start generating your video. You can also switch things up, use frame mode, upload just one image, or even go with only a text prompt if you want. Totally up to you. Now, let's say you want to add both a prompt and images. Go back to the search tool. The first set of blocks will include the prompt block. Drag it in and type your prompt like normal. You'll also see the import block, which lets you upload an image or video. So if you're creating a scene, just write your prompt in the prompt block and connect it to the right input. Then add one import block for the first frame and another for the last frame, and connect them where they belong. And that's basically how you build your workflow. If you've made it this far, you're about to learn one of the best ways to use motion control for free and create up to 3 videos from just one account. Now let me show you a smart trick to use those credits more efficiently. First, drop an import block and upload your main video. Then add another import block and upload your reference character image. Now here's the key part, close attention. Go to this website, create an account. Once you are in, click on the Explore tab and then search for Kling and select Kling Motion Control. Then right-click on it and copy the model link address. You'll also find this website URL somewhere in the video. After that, go back to your workflow, right-click, and choose the import model. In that block, paste the model link you just copied. Now connect everything the right way, link your reference image to the image URL and your video to the video URL. Then click on the Kling model block and make sure video mode is selected. At this point, you're all set. Your video, your reference image, and the motion control model are ready to go. Now just hit Run Model. A window will pop up. Just click Accept. And just like I mentioned, this only uses that means you've still got around credits left enough to make 2 more videos. Now, let's check out the results. As you can see, the movement is smooth and on point, and the character stays consistent across all frames. No weird distortions. Even the audio is perfectly synced, and when the character changes, the motion and style still look clean, high quality, and super realistic. That's it for today's tutorial. Hope you found it helpful, and now you're ready to start creating some awesome videos with these tricks. Thank you so much for watching the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace!